Right now is 6:04, a major deadline today for most condominiums in the state. There's a new law requiring condo associations to have inspections done on the structure and reports filed on any repairs needed and how they plan to pay for it.
Yeah, it's a deadline some may not be able to meet. 10 Tampa Bay's Jenny Dean joins us live this morning in Tampa with a closer look at how many buildings in Tampa still need to comply with this, Jenny.
That's right. Good morning, Jameson and Sarah. You know, this is just one of many reforms that were passed by the state after the deadly Surfside building collapse back in 2021. Now, this particular law that we're talking about, it applies specifically to condos that are 3 stories or taller and at least 25 years old. And basically, condo boards need to get a professional inspection of the structural integrity of the building. And that includes a study forecasting how much those repairs will cost and then posted online. Now, the city of Tampa tells us that nearly 40 condo associations are in jeopardy of violating the law. Tampa's chief building official says those that don't comply could be headed to court.
As our notice of violations, similar to code enforcement for any violations for magistrate. They will be put on the docket and have to go to the magistrate and explain why they don't have it. And the magistrate can then add additional fees based off of the magistrate's decision as to what's happened in the case. So each case is, I can't say, hey, minimum, they're going to get X dollars a fine. We don't know.
Yeah, and there are still a number of condo boards that are rushing to meet this deadline. And city leaders also tell 10 Tampa Bay that associations, once this is all filed, they would still have another year to go ahead and start working on any needed repairs. Of course, a lot of those condo owners concerned that assessment fees could make their living situation unaffordable. Sarah?
Well, Jenny, this isn't one and done. A survey of reserves and inspections will have to be done every 10 years, we're told. So what exactly happens to the condo boards that don't meet this deadline to post the inspection?
Well, failure to comply with this particular legislation could lead to denied loans or even higher insurance costs. And those always definitely get passed down to the condo owners in the form of assessment fees, which people are already concerned about for repairs. And condo boards actually could ultimately be liable if something does happen to the building and they didn't get those required inspections and repairs. Live in Tampa, Jenny Dean, 10 Tampa Bay.